Hi, I'm Steve Jones and I'm going to tell you a little about wind turbines. Now, you may have been driving through the countryside and suddenly come up on something like a tall tower with a big triple blade at the top rotating and wondered what it is. It's a wind turbine. The purpose of this is to generate electricity, and they tend to be extremely big. So you see them in the distance, but when you get close to them, they are very big. And the other problem with them is they do produce pollution, so be careful, but it's sound pollution. And many people find it very disturbing, the noise these things make as these blades whoosh past you. So be aware of that. All it is basically a tall stressed concrete tower, and on top of it is a generator, an electric generator. Now the electric generator is very simple. It can be mounted right on the top of here, and it is driven directly by the fan blade. Now obviously there is at this point what we call a gearbox, because obviously the blade goes round quite slowly, and if it went round that slowly, the generator wouldn't generate much electricity. But there is a gearbox to speed up the rotation in the generator, so even though this goes round quite slowly, the generator is working at full capacity and will generate electricity. This electricity then is fed down the tower and out to the electricity grid, where it can supplement electricity produced in other ways. It's interesting to note, though, you cannot just put them anywhere. Obviously, the energy which is used is wind energy, and the air is moving. And as the air moves past, the energy is removed from the air. So you can't put a lot of them very close to each other, because one will affect the work of the other. And in fact, that's why you see they're fairly well spread out, because they have to have their own area of air to work in. So that's a wind turbine, how it works and how it is set up. And if you see one, just think, this will be producing energy for the foreseeable future.